Hi everyone, this is Darcy, and today I'm going to give you some product updates from products that I have tried and reviewed on my channel before. That way you know if anything changed on my opinion on any of the products that I have tried. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, I'm Darcy, I'm 47 years old, and I love beauty tools and skincare. So if you also love them and want to see my journey, please make sure to subscribe below. I'd love to have you as part of this community. Now let's get to it. Whenever I review beauty products or beauty tools on my channel, I only use the beauty tool I'm reviewing for a period of time, so that way I can show you the before and afters from using that beauty tool alone. And oftentimes, because I'm a review channel, I'm always reviewing different tools and then I stop the other tools, so I'm not using every single thing at the same time ever. I take time, and sometimes I actually stop everything because life happens. So I always let you know what is going on with my skin, what things I'm trying out as I'm doing the video. So today I'm going to be talking about these products, updating you guys on my thoughts on them. But I do have full reviews on the products that I'm going to talk about today with before and afters and lots of tips. So make sure to check on the description box below. That way I'll have the full review if you want more information about each product, because today I'm just going to give a general update on my thoughts on this product. So let's get to it. The first one I want to update you guys is the Medicube Booster Pro, which is a 6-in-1 device from Medicube. I just finished a 30-day challenge with the Medicube Booster Pro, which I loved it. And again, I have the whole video with my before and afters on the description box below. After I did the Medicube Booster Pro, I actually am not using as often anymore. I was traveling a lot for July. I had some things going on in my life, so life happens. So I was probably using about once or twice a week, and I still got results. I feel like my results right now are even better than when I did the 30-day challenge. I have truly seen amazing results on my crow's feet, and they're a lot smoother, and also on my 11s and even on my necklines. Definitely becoming one of my favorite tools that I have tested so far on my channel. No joke about it. I feel like my pores are smaller. I still have a beautiful glow on my skin. I don't have any moisturizer on my skin right now, and I'm not even using daily. Good thing about the Medicube Booster Pro is that honestly, you can use it pretty much any way you want it. There are 4 settings, so you can combine them. I find that no matter how I use this tool, I still get results. I do have a whole 30-day review of this product, and each of the videos I show the full tutorial on each setting with real-time tutorial and tips and extra bonus moves that you can try out. Make sure you check out that series so that way you can get an in-depth review on how to use the Medicube Booster Pro. I also am getting a lot of comments from you guys to do a routine in one video, which I'll probably do pretty soon as well. So keep an eye on my channel. That way you guys can see how I'm using it right now after I've done the challenge, because I'm combining the settings. Sometimes I use some, sometimes I don't, but either way, I'm still getting results. The update is that I truly love it, highly recommend, and it's still on sale. So leave that in the description box below if you're interested. And I also bought a lot of stuff on the sale, so I'll be updating you guys on the products that I bought on the sale as well. So keep an eye on my channel for that. Another device I want to update you guys on is the ZIIP Halo, which I also have a 30-day challenge that I used the ZIIP Halo for 30 days by itself, and I got amazing results. Make sure you check out the video on the description box below if you want more information about the ZIIP Halo. The ZIIP Halo is a microcurrent device that combines nanocurrent with microcurrent, so it helps also with facelifting, it helps with fine lines and wrinkles, also helps with skin texture and even dark spots and acne. I honestly still love the ZIIP Halo. However, I want to address some other user experiences that I have been hearing online that I find that is important for me to let you guys know, because this is an update video. What happened is that in November, during the holidays, the ZIIP Halo had some issues with their factory, and they had a bunch of ZIIP Halos that had issues, and I even contacted ZIIP, helped some of my subscribers get their ZIIP replaced, and they got replaced, and their replacements also had issues. So I definitely want to mention to you guys that that happened. At the time, ZIIP addressed it, and they have been great about replacing any faulty ZIIPs. So I definitely want to mention that to you guys. If you had a faulty ZIIP, you can contact them. Their customer service is amazing on replacing, but it's honestly truly upsetting that some of my subscribers had to replace their ZIIP twice. And some of my dear friends on YouTube, such as Jen from Aloha Jen's Beauty blog, had her completely fell apart, which I'll put her video talking about that on the description box below. On my channel, I'm a very honest channel. I'm always going to update you guys with everything I hear online, and I'm also going to update you with my experience. My personal experience with the ZIIP Halo is that mine still works. As you guys can see, I actually even dropped mine on the floor. I'm going to show you there's a couple dents because I dropped mine on the floor, but my ZIIP Halo still works. And also, my previous experience with the ZIIP has also been positive. As you can see, all the ZIIPs I have throughout the years have been great quality, work amazing. So that is my experience, and I'll put Jen's video on the description box below if you want to hear more about her experience, because it is different than mine. But I want to definitely mention to you guys that this has been happening, and I'll update you guys if anything changes. I truly hope they address this factory issue and that doesn't happen anymore, because again, I love my ZIIP and personally have had no issues with my ZIIP. But I feel like it's important to mention to you guys that a lot of people have had issues with their device, so you can make the best decision for yourself. I also want to update you guys on the Foreo Bear 2 device. So the Bear 2 is a device that combines microcurrent with sonic vibrations that helps to relax the muscle, lift the muscles, and the Bear 2 has 4 different types of microcurrent that also addresses fine lines and wrinkles, and it is amazing for brightening and depuffing. I find that from all the devices that I have talked about so far, the most depuffing and brightening for sure is the Bear. I'll probably do a future video comparing all these devices, but I just want to give you some updates. Definitely recommend the Bear 2 if your concern is facelifting, and I also have a 30-day challenge of the Bear 2 showing my 30-day results when I use the Bear by itself, and I give very detailed explanation on how to use it for your Bear, how to go into the menu. So if you're interested on the Bear, make sure you check out the Bear 2 30-day challenge for even more information. It does have an anti-shock feature, but you definitely feel the current more than with the previous Bear. I feel that it is because you do have 4 different types of microcurrents and also the different types of sonic vibrations. So with the Bear 2, you definitely feel more of the current. It's a different sensation that you had with the previous Bear, or even with the other devices I have mentioned on this video. Because even though it's microcurrent, you should never really feel microcurrent. You do feel the Bear electricity on your skin. And I think that is also due for having a combination of different types of sonic vibrations. But in a nutshell, to give an overall update, still recommend the Bear 2, and I find that from all the microcurrent devices I have reviewed, is definitely the most brightening and also the most depuffing, which you will be able to see on my before and afters when I was using the Bear 2 by itself. And you can definitely combine the Bear 2 with the Medicube Booster Pro or any other devices that you have, because it does have 4 different types of microcurrent, and as I mentioned before, not all microcurrent is the same, and it has patented different types of microcurrent that I have not seen with other devices. So I feel like it is definitely super lifting, more lifting than I find with the Medicube Booster Pro. So if your concern is lifting, definitely check out the Bear, but you also feel the current more than you would feel the current with other microcurrent devices. So definitely want to mention that. I also will have a dedicated video. I know I keep talking about that, guys, but I'm so behind. So many things happening. I'll definitely have a dedicated video on the Bear 2 for the eyes and lips. Just quick update on it is that definitely feel like the Bear 2 eyes and lips give you a better lift for the eyes than just the Bear 2. You can use the Bear 2 on the eyes, which I show a tutorial on the dedicated video, but the Bear 2 eyes and lips for sure gives you a better lift on the eye because of the tiny probes that can reach areas that other devices cannot reach. So if your concern is fine lines and wrinkles around your lips and even nasolabial folds, definitely recommend the Bear 2 eyes and lips. In the past, the Bear has released different devices, you know, like the Bear Mini, and I always told you guys, like, no, I don't think it was necessary. But with the Bear 2 eyes and lips, I definitely see a difference on the type of lift that I get when I use it on the eye area compared to just using the Bear 2. But by all means, you can use the Bear 2 on your eye area. You just have to adapt it, lower the current. And I mentioned that on the original how to use the Bear video and also during the challenge. So by all means, if budget is a problem for you, definitely you can use the Bear 2 on your eyes. But since it is an update video and I have mentioned before on my channel, definitely recommend if your concern is the eye area. And they're always having great sales on it, guys. I always mention the sales on my community page. They just had an amazing anniversary sale that you can get this for like $100. So keep an eye on the sales, because it is definitely worth it if you can get it for the right price, if it doesn't work for your budget. I also have discount codes on all the devices I have talked about in this video, and I'll leave that on the description box below if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!